So let's say that you're creating a video, you're creating a tutorial, and you're using the iMovie app. But for some reason, once you finish your tutorial using the screen recording and also using the iMovie app, most of the time I record my tutorials in the iMovie app in landscape mode. So that's what I do. And I had a problem, and for some reason, once I wanted to import my tutorial, my screen recording into iMovie, I did it, and once I played, I was playing the video, the video had no sound. So how can we fix that? So we're gonna go to a different app. In this case, we're gonna use CapCut Pro. Let's open it, and I'm gonna tap on the plus sign, create a new project, and I'm gonna go on landscape mode, tap on done, and then we're gonna tap on the plus sign. And here's the thing, you're gonna look for your tutorial. In this case, I'm just gonna select this one because this is an actual tutorial that I just made like a few minutes ago, and I'm gonna tap on choose. But if you play the video, it doesn't have sound. So we're gonna tap again on the plus sign, we're gonna go to video again, and we're gonna select the same file right here, the same tutorial. But in this case, we're gonna do something different, and this is how you fix the problem. You're gonna tap on audio only. So for some reason, this is how you can solve the problem. So you have two different files. You have the video and you have the audio right here on the bottom. Tap on save video, export. In this case, I'm just gonna go to medium quality so the process is faster. But for some reason, once you record your screen, iMovie doesn't recognize the audio if you import the screen recording right into iMovie. So that's why I'm doing this process. I'm going to CapCut, select the video, and then select the audio, create two different files, put them together, and once you do that, you can go back to iMovie if you wanna make sure that you got the audio, and then tap on the plus sign, tap on movie, and you're gonna look for the newest video that you have. So you're gonna tap on video, most recent video, and this is gonna be the one. Tap on it, and then tap on the check mark, and then create video. Now you have your video with your screen recording and with the actual audio, and then you can just start editing. So that's how you fix this problem. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.